We are headed towards historic Maxwell Street in the near west side of Chicago, or at least what used to be historic Maxwell Street. Maxwell Street was an open air market dating back to the late 19th century. Jim's Original, which started in 1939, is the first place to sell Polish sausage in the area. The pork chops and the Polish sausages look absolutely fantastic. Jim's started in 1939, is that right?
Yes. My grandfather came from Yugoslavia and started working his aunt's stand. And then he took it over and bought it from her.
And do you know, what was the idea behind, I'm going to sell Polish sausage?
I don't know. I think he was just trying to improve the product.
And it was in that location until 2001.
2001.
Wow.
Yeah.
It's such a Chicago icon now. It's hard to imagine this area without Jim's.
My grandfather said that his corner was the life of the street. If he was, he stayed open 24/7, and if you went down there late at night, that corner was, the only thing alive at the time, and that was it.
And the rest is history. I'd like a Polish sausage.
Everything on it, sir?
Everything on it, mustard, grilled onions, peppers, and let me get a pork chop sandwich too.
Same way, sir.
Yes, please.
Yes, sir.
That comes with fries, right?
Yes, sir.
You from the area? You've been coming here a while?
Been coming here for about 30 years.
30 years. Why do you come here?
Food is good, hot, and fast. Period.
Do you remember the first time you came here? Why you came here?
I got my first suit ever in life around the corner.
Oh yeah?
Came down, went to a tailor, got measured, and then my dad brought me over here to have a sandwich on the way home. Yeah, so it's hot, fast, quick, get in and get out, and it's the pork chops, always excellent.
I love it. I'm here every weekend.
Best Polishes in Chicago and hot peppers.
All right, so I've got my Polish and I've got my pork chop sandwich. Each of these comes with free fries included in the price, which is great. So why don't we start with the Polish first? What it is, it's essentially, it's like a kielbasa. It's a blend of beef and pork. It's spicier than, say, a hot dog. Jim wouldn't divulge. He says that they have the sausages specially made for Jim's. He wouldn't even tell me where they get the meat from. It's nicely grilled on the outside, so it's got a real satisfying snap when you bite into it. The meat, it's juicy, it's delicious, and then it's got a really nice spice mixture. Hot dogs are good, but they kind of taste like, I don't know, like cooked bologna or something like that. But the Polish sausage, in addition to being bigger, it's also just got sort of a more complex flavor profile. It's garlickier, it's just snappier, and really satisfying. It's a perfect food for this time of night. Now we've got pork chop sandwich. It's another thing that Jim's is famous for. Bone-in, kind of sloppy pork chop sandwich that looks delicious. That is really good. It's really messy. It's really juicy. Caramelized in its own juices. So it's got like a little bit of the sweetness. Just a little bit of mustard on the bun. This is really wonderful. Hi, Slam.
What's up, brother?
How you doing?
I'm doing fine.
How long do you have to be out here now? Till what time?
6 in the morning.
Wow. Wow. You're doing good work out here.
I like to think
We
so.
appreciate it. Keep everybody safe.
Always, man.
Yeah. Thanks a lot.
Always. Y'all need some security help, let me know.
All right, Slim.
I'll come and guide y'all.
Good night, man. Man, Slim's the nicest. I want Slim to follow me around, keep me safe. It's been great talking with Jim and with Slim. I'm going to finish this Polish sausage. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Dining on a Dime. And if you'd like to watch more, please click here to watch.